Son Nagar, district Aurangabad of Bihar. Son Nagar is at the eastern part of Son river and connected with Dehri On-Son of Rohtas district via Jawahar Setu. Son Nagar is a big railway junction where Son Nagar Daltonganj branch line deviates from Howrah New Delhi Grand Court. Jawahar Setu is across the Son river between Son Nagar of Aurangabad district and Dehri On-Son of Rohtas district of Bihar. It is named after the first Prime Minister of our country, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. It was designed and completed in 1963 by Principal Engineer Shantaram S. Kashyap. The 3061 meters, that is 10,043 feet road bridge carries the Grand Trunk Road, that is National Highway 19. The old number was National Highway 2. It was built by Gammon India Ltd during 1963 to 65. Nehru Setu, the rail bridge that runs parallel to the road bridge, was built in the year 1900. The Grand Trunk Road, formerly known as Uttarapath, Sarak-e-Azam, Badshai Sarak, Sarak-e-Shirsha, is one of the Asia's oldest and longest major roads. For at least 2,500 years, it has linked Central Asia to the Indian subcontinent. It runs roughly 2,400 kilometers from Teknaf, Bangladesh, on the border with Myanmar west to Kabul, Afghanistan, passing through Chittagong and Dhaka in Bangladesh, Kolkata, Allahabad, Delhi and Amritsar in India, and Lahore, Rawalpindi and Peshawar in Pakistan. Chandragupta Maurya of the Mauryan Empire in ancient India built his highway along this ancient route called Uttarapath in the 3rd century of BCE, extending it from the mouth of the Ganges to the northwestern frontier of the empire. Further improvements to this road were made under Ashoka. It was rebuilt many times under Sher Shah Suri, the Mughals and the British along a partly similar route. The road was considerably rebuilt in the British period between 1833 and 1860. Over the centuries, the road acted as one of the major trade routes in the region and facilitated both travel and postal communication. The Grand Trunk Road is still used for transportation in present-day Indian subcontinent, where parts of the road have been widened and included in the national highway system. Dehri, also known as Dehri On-Son, is a Nagar Parishad and corresponding community development block in Rohtas district of Bihar. Situated on the Son river, Dehri is a large industrial town and an important railway hub. As of 2011, its population was 1,37,231 in 23,234 households. Dehri is home to the Indrapuri Barrage, the 4th longest barrage in the world. In Swachh Survekshan 2020, Dehri On-Son, Dehri Dalmiangar Nagar Parishad has been awarded as the cleanest city in Bihar. Dehri is well connected with rail as well as road by major Indian cities. National Highway 19, that is GT Road, passes through Dehri On-Son. The name Dehri On-Son based on the Son river, The city is situated at the bank of the Son river. Dehri is also known as sand capital of Bihar. Dehri was one of the biggest industrial hubs in Bihar. The Rohtas Industries Limited industrial complex at Dalmianagar was established by Mr. Ramkrishna Dalmia from the early 1930s. A sugar factory was the first to open in 1933, followed by a cement works in 1937, a paper factory in 1938, an asbestos factory in 1944, and a soap factory in 1964. The East Indian Railway Grand Chord broad gauge line between Gaya and Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Junction, that is Mughal Sarai Junction, passed through Dehri On Sone. Important industries in Dehri include sugar production, ghee processing, and cement manufacturing. Other important commodities include plastic pipes, light bulbs, and shoes. The headworks of the Son Canal system is located at Dehri. There are multiple schools and colleges in Dehri On Sone. Here you can find schools that are affiliated with Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, Bihar School Examination Board, BSEB, and Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination, CISCE. Notable schools in Dehri On Sone include Bal Vatika Vidyalaya, Balika Uch Vidyalaya Dalmianagar, James English School, DAB Public School Varkuria, DAB Public School Qatar, Dehri High School, Dhenuka International School, Dilian High School, GL Academy, High School Dalmianagar, JRS International School, Model School Dalmianagar. Notable colleges in Dehri On Sone include Jagjivan College, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Mohila College Dalmianagar, Narayan Medical College and Hospital Dehri On Sone, Ramkishore Singh College, Radha Shanta College Tilautu, Baba Ganinath College. Notable technical institutes in Dehri On Sone include James ITI, Gopal Narayan Singh University, Jammuhar, Dehri On Sone, Government ITI, Dehri On Sone, Government Polytechnic College, Dehri On Sone. Important and exciting places to visit: Ma Tutla Bhavani Mandir and waterfalls near Tilothu, Rohtas Kila, Tarachandi Mata Mandir, and Indrapuri Barrage on Son River. Important establishments nearby: 3 into 660 megawatt NPGCL power station of NTPC and 4 into 250 megawatts BRVCL power station, which is a joint venture of NTPC and Bharatiya Rail.